Welcome everyone to our review of the SSS Cruiser floor machine. This is a 175 low-speed floor machine. However, it's not like the standard rotary machine that you're used to that goes from side to side, or if you will, what we call a swing machine. This machine rolls forward and back on its wheels. Three different things I want to show you this afternoon, and that is first, our locking device down here. This is a pin that pulls out and locks in place. So I have very good, stable connection with the handle at the height that I want. The other thing is that when you use this machine, the head of the machine swivels. That's because it's got a pivot point there. And so as the floor is unlevel, the head rotates with the floor. And the third thing, which is probably the most advantage to everybody, is that whenever you run the machine, it just moves forward and back and stays on its wheels. It doesn't come off of the floor. So as you move different directions, going backward and forward, it's very easy to operate. So, it's user-friendly, it's safe, it's less fatiguing. Why not use it? So here at the Academy, that's our review. That's why we use it here in the Academy for all of our classes. Come back, join me again, Cleaning with the Academy, where we'll review another piece of machinery, tool, chemical, or equipment.